Good morning, class. Today we will discuss about property of division of rational number. And homework is solve exercise 2B question number 4 and 5 and 6 in notebook. Now come to the point, division of rational number. If A and B and C upon D, if A upon B and C upon D are two rational numbers such that C upon D not equal to 0, then A upon B divided by C upon D is equal to A upon B into D upon C. We change the order of C upon D in D upon C, and we can say A into D upon B into C is equal to AD upon BC, where A upon B is called the dividend, C upon D is called divisor, and the result is known as quotient. For example, divide 4 upon 9 by 5 upon 12, that is 4 upon 9 divided by 5 upon 12. Now we can write this expression 4 upon 9 into 12 upon 5 is equal to 4 into 12 upon 9 into 5. That is the answer is 4 12 is 48, 9 5 is 45. Then now we will divide both numerator and denominator, divide by 3, means 48 divided by 3 and 45 divided by 5. Then we will get the answer 16 upon 15. Now come to the main properties of the division. Some properties of division of rational numbers are different from integer numbers. That first property is closure property. If A upon B and C upon D be any two rational number such that C upon D not equal to 0, then A upon B divided by C upon D is also a rational number. For example, 5 upon 9 divided by 15 upon 18 is equal to, we will change the order of 15 upon 18, that becomes 18 upon 15. So 5 upon 9 is into 18 upon 15. We will multiply 5 into 18 upon 9 into 15. We will divide 5 to 15 and 9 to 18. Then we will get the answer is 1 into 2 upon 1 into 3. The answer is 2 upon 3. That is a rational number. Now come to the next property, that is commutative property and associative property. The division of rational number is neither commutative nor associative. Thus A upon B, C upon D and E upon F be any three non-zero rational number, non-zero rational number, then A upon B divided by C upon D, that is not equal to C upon D divided by A upon B. That is commutative property. Now A upon B divided by C upon D in brackets divided by E upon F not equal to A upon B divided by C upon D divided by E upon F in bracket. Now come to next property, that is property of 1 and minus 1. For any rational number A upon B, we have A upon B divided by 1 is equal to A upon B. And we can say A upon B divided by minus 1 is equal to, we will get answer minus A upon B. Now next property is fourth property. The first part in this, division by itself, means for any rational number A upon B, we have A upon B divided by A upon B is equal to 1, where A upon B not equal to 0. The second point is division by its own additive inverse. For any rational number A upon B that is not equal to 0, we have A upon B divided by minus A upon B in bracket is equal to, we will get the answer minus 1. Now here we will discuss some examples, some questions of your book. Divide minus 3 upon 4 by minus 5 upon 9, that is equal to minus 3 upon 4 divided by minus 5 upon 9. Then we will change the order, that is minus 3 upon 4 into minus 9 upon minus 5, and we here we cut the division, and answer is 3 into 9 upon 4 into 5 means 27 upon 20. And the another question is, if the product of number is minus 5 upon 8, means there are two numbers of rational number, then we will multiply, the answer is minus 5 upon 8, and the one of them is minus 3 upon 4, means one number is minus 3 upon 4, find the other one. Solution is, let the other number is equal to x, then we will multiply minus 3 upon 4 into x is equal to, we will get the result minus 5 upon 8. Now we will, this term goes to near equal to, then we in this term will go in division, then x is equal to minus 5 upon 8 divided by minus 3 upon 4. So we will change the order of this expression. X is equal to minus 5 upon 8 into minus 4 upon 3, that is equal to minus 5 into minus 4 upon 8 into 3, and we will divide 4 and 8 by 2. Then we will get the result minus 5 into minus 1 upon 2 into 3, minus get plus, and answer is 5 upon 6. That is, hence the other number is 5 upon 6. Thank you.